Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through migrating your website from Squarespace to Shopify. Moving platforms can seem tricky, but I'll break it down into manageable steps. So let's get started. Now the first step is to export content from Squarespace. In your Squarespace dashboard, go to Settings, then Advanced, and choose Import and Export. Now before you do that, you have to access your Squarespace account, and to do so, just type in Squarespace in the search bar and open the website right here, and then enter your account credentials to log in. After you do that, click on Account Dashboard right here, and that's it. Now to save the file to export the files here, click on the three dots right here and click on Settings. Here, go to Export. Let's see here, Import and Export Content, and select Export. Click on Export and select WordPress. Now it will begin the exporting process right here. After it finishes, it will appear just like this one right here, and you can click on Download, and to download the XML file. You can save it wherever you want. And just like that, I saved my website right here. Remember, not all content types can be transferred, so note anything you may need to add manually later. Now the second step is to import content into Shopify. To do that, log into your Shopify admin and go to Settings, then Import. Just go search for Shopify and then log in your account to access your. Now I'm not gonna do this step, but it's very easy, so I'll do it verbally since my trial is expired for my Shopify account. What you're gonna do in this step is to log into your Shopify admin and then go to Settings. It's right next to the gear icon. Then select Import and upload the Squarespace export file. Shopify will import your content, including pages and blog posts. Review imported data and make any needed adjustments. Now for the third step is to transfer your domain and redirect traffic. Go to your domain provider and update the DNS settings to point to Shopify. Set up URL redirects from Squarespace to Shopify to maintain your SEO rankings. And that's it. Your website is now on Shopify, ready for new growth. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have furthermore questions about this topic, feel free to leave a comment below the video and we'll be happy to answer it. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.